Power BI for the financial services industry. Financial markets are always in a state of flux. To keep up with the pace of change, you need to take split-second decisions. But how can you do it when you are getting overwhelmed by the constant stream of data? Financial firms, across verticals, struggle with tons of data, from transactions, portfolios, clients, and compliance records. What they need is not more data, but clarity. Microsoft Power BI is a modern, powerful business intelligence and data analytics tool that transforms data into insights. From CFOs to analysts, everyone gets the power to explore, understand, and decide faster. Built for the AI world, Power BI goes beyond traditional dashboards. Simply ask questions in plain English and detect issues and forecast trends with accuracy. Monthly closings no longer require days of labor. Power BI can automate account consolidation, track KPIs in real time, and ensure data accuracy across the system. With automated anomaly detection and custom dashboards, managing risks becomes a whole lot easier. Whether it's AML, Basel III, or IFRS, your compliance teams get the visibility that they need. Power BI also gives you the power to understand customers like never before. Track their individual portfolio performance, identify high-value opportunities, and personalize experiences, all with smart AI insights. Power BI integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365, SharePoint, Teams, Dynamics 365 or any other application you use every day. At Evolvous, we help financial services firms to harness Power BI to its fullest potential. From strategy and implementation to training and security, our experts will ensure that you can truly transform your operations with Power BI. With our customized support for the financial services industry, clients report faster decision cycles, improved compliance tracking, and enhanced productivity. Power BI is not just a reporting tool, it's your potential strategic advantage. Connect with our Power BI consultants today and evolve with purpose.